Hello kids, I told you so many things about subtraction, subtraction facts, rule of subtractions. Now we have something new, that is doing addition and subtraction together. When we have this type of mixed sums like 148 minus 256 plus 524, then what to do? Now look at here. When we have a sum which involve both addition and subtraction, we solve it step by step. First we add and then we subtract. Means first we add and then we subtract. Again, if we have doing addition and subtraction together, means here we have example 148 minus 256 plus 524. Now what to do? First you take, whenever we have no sign, means already we have addition here. This is very strict rule of maths. Whenever we have no sign in front of any sum, then you are supposed that this is addition. So 148 plus 527. First you have to add these two numbers. So 1 tens 100, 1 tens 100, 1 tens 100, 1 tens 100. Arrange the numbers in proper column, then add it. Now you know how to add 8, then count after 8. What you have to do? 4 numbers, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, this is carry over 12. So 2 here and 1 is here. So 4 plus 2, count after 4, 5, 6 and 1, 7. Then 1 plus 5, 6. Now this is answer. So you again take it here and then minus this number. See it very carefully. Take this 672 here and then minus 256. Now 2 minus 6, not possible. You know the rule of borrowing. Take one number from here. Here it is 6. 12 minus 6, it is possible. Why? Bigger number is upper side. 12 minus 6, 6 is here. Then 6 minus 5, 1 is here. 6 minus 2, 4 is here. So the answer is 416. Now remember one thing very important. Doing addition and subtraction together, learn this. Read it by heart. Again I am reading. When we have a sum which involve both addition and subtraction, we solve it step by step. First we add and then we subtract. So this is the method. Now we will do this sum in large numbers. Now students, we have 4254 plus 1531 minus 2689. So what to do first? First you have to add these two numbers. So 1000, 100 tens ones, 5 ones, 4 ones, 5 tens, 200, 4000. Here 1, 3 tens, 500, 1000. So here we have 4254 plus 1531. Now you know how to add. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 5, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. Now we have to take this number here. 5785. 5785. Now take this number 2689 here. Now 5 minus 9, not possible. Borrow one number from here. Here we have 7. So 15 minus 9, count after 9 till 15. What comes after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. Now 7 minus 8, not possible. 7 is smaller than 8. Then we have to take one number from here. Now we have 17 minus 8. Now count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 9 number here. Now 7 has given one number this place. So 6 is here. 6 minus 6, 0. Again we have 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So the answer is 3096. How? We have 0 in 100 place. So here ones, tens, 100,000. So read this number, 3096. What is the number? 3096. Again, now first we have to plus the numbers. Then whatever answer is coming, take that answer here. Then minus this number. If the number is smaller upper side, then borrow one number from the next place. 15. Then here we have 7. Then borrow one number from here. 17. Here 7 minus 1, 6. Then 5. So 15 minus 9. 17 minus 8. 6 minus 6. 5 minus 2. The answer is 3096. We have next example, 700 minus 631. So put the numbers here, 700 minus 631. You know how to subtract? 0 minus 1, not possible. Take one number from here, but already we have 0 here. So take one number from here. Here we have 10, here we have 6. Now give one number here, here we have 9. Very simple, very simple. Now 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So take this number here, 0, 6, 9. Now what to do? This number here. Now plus it. Now see that you are getting star or not. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over. 6 plus 3, 9 and 1, 10. Carry over. 6 plus 1, 7. Wow, this is a star. 700, 700. Means your answer is correct and you have checked your answer by addition. Very simple again. First you subtract it, then take your answer upper side, then take the same number here and then do it plus. If the answer is coming same number, means your sum is correct and you have checked the answer by addition, or subtract and check the answer by addition is done. We have another problem sum here. I am going to read it. Mother bought 432 bananas. She distributed 130 bananas. Means 432 minus 130. Take away 130 bananas from this number. Mother bought 216 more bananas. Means plus 216. How many bananas are left now? So now statement is the number of bananas mother bought how many? 432. She distributed bananas how many? 130. Now bananas left 432 minus 130. Again she bought more bananas how many? 216. Now we have done that subtraction by addition. 432 bananas are there. 130 distributed minus 130. Then again mother has bought 216. Means plus 216. So what to do according to that rule? 432 plus 216. First you add this. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So 648. Take away 130. 130 bananas distributed. So 130. 8 minus 0, 8. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 1, 5. How many bananas are left? 580 bananas left now. How many bananas are left now? 580 bananas are left now. Again, always take answer from the last line. 180 bananas are left now. Again 432 bananas, take away 130, means 432 minus 130, then plus 216. Answer is 518 bananas are left Now students, we have problem sum of addition. I am reading this sum. Abhay bought 608 eggs and sold 485 of them. How many eggs are left with Abhay? We have some words which you always remember, that left, less, they all are related with subtraction, means take away. Subtraction means take away. Abhay has how many eggs? 608. He sold means take away 485 of them. How many eggs are left with Abhay? Now you know how to do the problem sum. I've told you in addition problem. So first statement is, take it from the sum. Number of eggs Abhay bought, how many? 608. Number of eggs he sold, how many? 485. Now third statement is, number of eggs left with him, 608 minus 485. Now you know how to minus, how to subtract. 8 minus 5, 3. 0 minus 8, not possible. Take one number from here. Here we will be 10 and here 5. 10 minus 8, 2. 5 minus 4, 1. So 123 eggs are left with Abhay. So left, subtraction means less, left, take away. Take away. Whenever we have take away, that means subtraction, and join the number, that is addition. So take care for the statements. Number of eggs Abhay bought, how many? 608. Number of eggs he sold, how many? 485. So what is the last statement? Number of eggs left, 608 minus 485. So minus 8, 8 minus 5, 3. 0 minus 8, not possible. Take one number from here. Here it is now 5. And here we have 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 5 minus 4, 1. So 123 eggs are left with Abhay.